Welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video we're featuring Luvme Hair. Big shout out to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. Today I have this PartingMax 7x6 loose body wave wig. Baby, she is taking it, okay? Right out of the package, I was blown away. The wig looks amazing. Knots bleached, hairline pre-plucked, curls done. Elastic band, silicone grip, breathable cap. This wig was hitting all the marks right out of the pack. So this is what she looks like straight out of the box on the head. I mean, you can go like this. She's ready to go. She's in a curved C part, ready to go. So when you purchase this wig, you do have a few options. You can purchase this with a zigzag part. You can purchase this with a left part or a right part. You can also get your lace pre-cut for an additional $5. So there's a variety of options when it comes to purchasing your wig and how you want your wig to arrive. But she will arrive with quite a few free gifts, pre-styled, looking good. But you know it wouldn't be a Thai styles tutorial if I didn't recurl this wig. So that's what we're going to do here. I use my hot comb and my wax stick just to flatten out the top because you know it's been in a package and I want my wig to lay flat. We don't do the wigs that's too big in the back. So we're going to lay her down super flat. And then I wanted the curls to mimic the way the wig arrived, but just more my style. So I decided to use the wand curl because this is a loose body wave, so the curls weren't very tight. So I love this wand curl. The one I'm going to use is from Bedhead, and it is very inexpensive, and it gives you the perfect waves every time. So before I do that, I did want to add a little bit of heat protectant to the hair. So we will be using our BioSilk. And I'm going to run the BioSilk through the hair just to coat the hair and protect it. All right. So this is what she's looking like. This is the back. This wig is very full. As you can see, I pulled everything forward. You do not see any wefts at all. You see no wefts. Gotta love that. And now moving on. So this is the part where we go in and add the waves. So I'm just going to take medium to small sections and I'm going to curl everything going back. I'm going to let these curls or waves cool down before I separate them because that is a trick to getting your curls or your waves to actually hold. You have to let them cool down and set in place. You don't want to manipulate them too much while it's still hot. But this final look, love it. So a few more things I want to tell you about this wig is with the PartingMax, you have 7x6 lace. That is a lot of lace. 7 inches across. So it's very close to like, it looks like a frontal until you start to pull it back by the ears. But you get all that versatility and you can part her down the center, on the side. You can even finesse like a half up, half down. There's a lot of things you can do with this wig. I think the 7x6 is perfect for someone who is not into frontals, but they want more options than a 4x4 or a 5x5 give. So that's where I feel like the 7x6 is perfect. One thing about this wig in particular is to be a closure wig, there's a lot of hair on this. So you get a lot of hair. That's another reason you're going to have the options to create a lot of different looks, because if you don't have a lot of hair, then you're kind of limited to the styles that you can execute. So as you can see, I'm just running my fingers through and look, those curls they put in there are holding. That looks good. You can just go like that. But we're going to continue and add waves the same way I did on the other side. I'm just going to take sections and I'm going to take the wand curl and I'm going to wand everything going back. So I'm going to have all the details down in the description box in case you wanted to check out this wig. They offer this in a few different colors and a few different textures. I have tried this in a curly texture, so I will link that video at the end of this one so you can check them out. I also have a Luvme Hair playlist. You can check out all the hot wigs and all the different styles that I have tried from them. They are definitely one of the OGs when it comes to wigs. I've been working with them for so long and I have never ever been disappointed. So let me know what you guys think about this wig so far. Like, are we feeling it? Because I was feeling it. Now, my favorite thing about this wig has to be the lace, and you're going to see why in a little bit. While I'm styling this wig, you can't even tell that the lace was still attached at this point. It honestly looks like I cut the lace off. Look at that. There's still, if it wasn't for those tabs on the side, you wouldn't be able to tell that I still have lace on this wig. Like, this has to be some of the best lace out. It is super, super fine, super, super thin. The color match, I didn't have to use any makeup, nothing, okay? I was like blown away. So here I'm just separating the curls with the end of the rat tail comb because I don't want to disturb them too much. I really like the way this looks, and I'm going to set that in place with a little bit of freeze spray. So now this is what I'm talking about. Once I cut that piece off, you can't tell. Look, what? I was shook. Like, no. I got to take a thumbnail picture of that because that, wow. And I work with a lot of wigs, but that lace, something about this lace was just, I'm still shaking my head because I'm shook. Like, what? It looks really good. So I'm just going to cut the lace off like I usually do. I did use some adhesive for this. I used a little bit of ORS wig grip, and that's how we adhered her down. And then I show you a different style towards the end. So I'm going to let you guys watch a little bit more of this video without me yapping because I've been I've been going. I'm going to let you watch me finish this style, and then I'll come back when we get into the next style. So this is the finished look for style number 1, and yeah, just as gorgeous as I thought. This wig is stunning, y'all. Definitely check the links in the description box to check her out. And you can get her a little longer, a little shorter, whatever your preference is. You can customize it to your liking. So for the next style, I really just wanted to showcase the versatility with this PartingMax. So I wanted to try this style that I've been seeing. I mean, this style has been around forever, but it's recently started to trend again. And it's like a distressed halo braid. So I part the hair over further than it came. So you can get a deeper part than that C-curved part. And I'm going to press that out. And I'm going to use that piece of hair to braid it across the front of my hair. Then I'm just going to like pull and tuck on the braid to fluff it out to give it that like distressed look. And then I just pin it up to the back. So I thought this was super cute. You can wear this to like a few different places. Workplace, school, if you're going out, an event. Like depending on how you put this together, I feel like this works well for a few different things. So let me know what you guys think about this. And like I stated, all the links will be in the description box. Big shout out to Luvme Hair for sending over this bomb wig. Shout out to y'all for watching another video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.